Hello, my dear students. You all are once again welcome to the E-class of General Knowledge of 4th class. And I am your Sarika Sharma ma'am. Dear students, hope you all are safe at home and doing well. Today we will discuss Quiz Yourself 2, page number 62. Already we have discussed all the previous chapters which will come in the second term examination, and quiz yourself is known as the revision work. So let's discuss quiz yourself too. The first question is identify the following. In this you have been given some pictures based on previous chapters. You have to identify and write their names. Some pictures, as I am telling you, Amitabh Bachchan and we can say Vasco da Gama. These were the pictures. Already we have learnt that Amitabh Bachchan was a left-hander and he's a great actor. Vasco da Gama, do you know who was Vasco da Gama and what did he do? Can anybody guess? Yes, Vasco da Gama searched the sea route of India. He was a great explorer. Okay, now come to the chapter. Here is the chapter. First picture, identify the following. First picture, Amitabh Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan. Second, children, very familiar name, Charlie Chaplin, a very nice comedian. Charlie Chaplin, Charlie Chaplin. Third, of course, Neil Armstrong, Neil Armstrong, Neil Armstrong. Next is Leo Tolstoy, Leotolstoy, Leo Tolstoy. Next, children, Florence Nightingale, and she is known as the Lady of the Lamp. FLORENCENIGHTINGALE, Florence Nightingale. Next, beta, Vasco da Gama, as I have shown you earlier also, VASCODAGAMA. All of you can open your book along with me and you can also start writing. Next, children, write 2 examples of each. You have read the Roberts chapter, organ system, great explorers, official residence of different people, and natural hazards. Now we talk the 2 examples. Roberts. First, space robot, SPACEROBOT, robot. Next example I have taken, robot teacher, ROBOT, robot, TEACHER, robot teacher. Children, organ system, as I told you, as I told you, we have so many, our body is made up of the organ system like digestive system, nervous system, skeleton system. So here I have written nervous and digestive. NERVOUS, nervous, DIGESTIVE, digestive. Next, children, great explorers means जो देश भर में खोज करते हैं, that is I just told you. James Cook, JAMESCOOK, Cook, James Cook, and the another one I told you, Vasco da Gama, VASCODAGAMA. Vasco da Gama, sea route of India, is a great explorer. And first I told you James Cook, here Haveli Island. Next, beta, official residence, White House and Vatican City, WHITE, White, HOUSE, White House, children. It's the residence of President of USA, and Vatican City is the residence of Pope. Okay, so White House and Vatican City I have written. Next, beta, natural hazards. I told you when we are having the natural disasters, flood, 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 volcano, VOLCANO, volcano. Okay, so you can write. Next, children, fill in the blanks. Again, based on all the chapters we have learnt only. Dash are huge balls of hot and glowing gases. The answer is stars. STARS, stars. Second, beta, the full form of SMS. Everybody is sending the SMS, na? We are sending the SMS from the mobile. The full form is Short Messaging Services. SHORT, short, MESSAGING, messaging, SERVICES, services. Next बच्चे, dash is the first animal to go into space. Answer is Laika, LAIKA. Next, dash is an organ which help us to see. Everybody knows which organ help us to see? Of course, eyes, EYES, eyes. Next is the highest mountain in Nepal. And the answer is Mount Everest. MOUNT, Mount, EVEREST. Mount Everest. Please note down all of you. Now children, I think all of you have written. Now we come to the next page, that is page number 63. And in this page number 63, we will learn about Barack Obama. He was also a famous left-hander. Now, come to the chapter. Tick the correct choice. Number 1. Which among the following is the Indian traditional method of treating patients? Children, so many methods we are using for treating the patients. We are using homeopathy, allopathy. But which is the Indian tradition method of treating patient? Homeopathy, allopathic or Ayurvedic? The correct answer is Ayurvedic. So please tick correct answer, Ayurvedic. Next बच्चे, who among the following treat eye diseases? Who among the following treats eye disease? Oncologist? No beta. Cardiologist? No, because cardiologist treats the heart disease. And ophthalmologist, it is correct answer. Ophthalmologist. OPTHALNOLOGIST. Ophthalmologist. Next beta, which among the following is an infectious disease? You know na, infectious disease is that which spread the infection in our body, and sometimes it's a communicable disease. The sick person may give this disease to a healthy person. So Saccharin, no. Jaundice, yes. JAUNDICE. And Malayalam, no. So correct answer is jaundice. Next, infectious disease may be communicable or may be non-communicable. Next, which among the following is the 7 wonders of the ancient world? Vatican City, no. Wellington, no. Temple of Artemis, yes. The correct answer is Temple of Artemis. Please tick the correct answer, बच्चे. Next, which among the following is a famous left-hander? I have shown you the picture also. Once again, I will show you. It is Beijing, Canberra or Barack Obama. Answer is Barack Obama. Now children, give your answer in one word. So first question, who treat the patient with mental disorders? Can you guess? You have read this. Of course, psychiatrist. 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 Next, who was the first Indian to go into space? Rakesh Sharma. RAKESHSHARMA. Sharma. Which disease is caused by the carried by mosquito beta? Of course, malaria. You can also write dengue, but I have written malaria. 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 Next beta, what is the name of the official residence of the President of India? Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapatibhavan Bhavan. I will share the PDF of this on your team also beta. Which robot is used to understand human body and behavior? Humanoid robot. HUMANOIDROBOT. Let's come to the true or false, bache. Write T for true or F for false. The sun is a satellite. No, sun is a star. So it is false. The sun is a satellite. False. The book Treasure Island is written by Julius Verne. It is false, beta. It is false. Please write false. Next beta. Charlie and the Chocolate Famous is a novel. True. Actually, it is written like a book, but it is a novel also. Okay, true. An essay is a short written discussion on any topic. True, beta. Adolf Hitler was also known as Führer. Yes, Adolf Hitler is also known as Führer. Of course, yes, beta. Now, we have discussed quiz yourself too. Children, you will do this work in the book and I am giving you assignment also. Do question number B, C and E in the copy. Do question numbers B, C, E in the copy of quiz yourself and revise the chapter quiz yourself too. I hope you understood this chapter. This quiz yourself too. Children, learn this by heart and do question number B, C, E in the copy. With that, I conclude today's session. Thank you very much, children. Have a great day.